You know, trading with your own money can be stressful, especially when you're just starting out or trying to scale up. That's where Apex Trader Funding comes in. And today, we're diving into what it's all about, how it works, and whether it might be worth your time. Apex Trader Funding is a proprietary trading firm, often called a prop firm, and their main selling point is that they give you access to funding without risking your personal capital. Instead of opening a traditional brokerage account and depositing your own money, you take an evaluation with Apex to prove your trading skills. Pass that evaluation and you get to trade with their capital. The interesting part is, you get to keep up to 90% of the profits, which is quite generous compared to some competitors. Now, the evaluation process is straightforward, but not necessarily easy. You'll choose an account size, ranging from smaller accounts to larger ones with higher buying power, then trade under their rules. These rules include profit targets, daily loss limits, and trailing drawdowns. If you hit the targets without breaking the rules, you move on to a funded account. Some traders like that they also offer resets, which allow you to start fresh if things don't go well. One of the things that sets Apex apart is their pricing. They frequently run discounts on their evaluation accounts, which can make the cost much lower than other prop firms. Also, there's no scaling requirement, meaning you can withdraw profits right from your first month, as long as you meet the withdrawal conditions. On the trading side, Apex uses platforms like NinjaTrader, Rithmic, and Tradovate, so if you're already familiar with those, you'll feel at home. However, that also means if you're used to something like MetaTrader, you'll need to adjust. They mainly cater to futures traders, so if you're looking to trade stocks or Forex, this might not be the right fit. Customer feedback is generally positive about their fast payouts and supportive community, but some traders mention that the trailing drawdown can be tricky. If you're not careful, it can quickly end your evaluation or funded account. So, discipline is key. At the end of the day, Apex Trader Funding offers a solid path for skilled futures traders to access significant capital without the financial risk of trading their own funds. It's not a shortcut to success, but for disciplined and consistent traders, it could be a great opportunity to grow.